We sure have got another day in paradise, man. Well, oh, what's that, Donovan? Oh, what? Oh, is that a bike on the channel? What? We're doing bike vlogs? Oh, what? Shut the hell up. Anywho, guys. Okay, so what is that? Oh, brand new crank. Yeah, I did that. I bought a brand new crank. The main rods were wrong. The main bearings are wrong. Not for my Romeo iron block. It's like an H, not a P. Some shit. But everything else is here. Head gaskets, bearings, main head bolts, exhaust gaskets. Here's all of Donovan's. He has still more in the Kia. And then he also went ahead and bought a backup light. So we'll be installing that. The little guy right here. See how good that is. And then he wants to install a sub. And I don't know what else we got. We've been getting a lot of stuff lately. So I'm still waiting on my heads. I was gonna put the whole bottom half together today, but the crank main bearings were wrong. And where's your stator, dude?
I have no idea. It was supposed to be here like Monday.
Yeah, here's a stator for all you guys that don't know what a stator is for a bike. It's pretty much an alternator. And it looks like the camera battery's about to die. Let's switch. Are you watching a video? We don't do that. All we had to do is plug it in. He already had an amp that wasn't even working, boy. Now we're doing this. We got all that put on. It's weird.
It's been about 45 seconds.
Yeah, since the last clip. It's like shit. It's like, alright, well, now we just have to do that. Alright, so I just got home. Literally pulled in. And I finally got my bearings from, what's that, Clovite, you know? And I got them all lubed up with assembly lube, and now I'm going to put the brand new crank in there. So, set you guys up right here. Oh, yeah, that's a good shot right there. Yeah, we'll leave that right there. Boys, doesn't that look friggin' crispy? Dang. Alright, now what I have to do next is get those cleaned up and obviously the rest of the bearings in. So, alright, that is done. I have not torqued them down, but all those are set, ready to go. I spent very freely, got assembly lube all over, so nothing is going to be with that oil for at least, a couple seconds. And I'll have to probably change the oil and filter within like 100 miles, because that stuff is pretty thick, but not too thick. So, alright, tomorrow I'm going to be doing the piston rings. This is new. This goes back in the other box. But, yeah, I got to do the rings. And, not rings, the rod bearings. And then I'm going to get a torque wrench tomorrow. I'll just bring one from work. Torque that down, get all that done, call Mean Motors, because it's Thursday. They haven't called me back, so I'm getting a little concerned about that. But I guess this will start up again tomorrow. It is another day here, and I need to turn these lights on. A little better. Today, I'm going to be lifting this engine back up, hopefully, because I had to take the engine hoist and help a buddy. But now I'm going to pick that back up. If you're wondering why I haven't put this on an engine stand, it's because, I didn't want to bring mine from the other house, and that's so far. Just don't care. So what I'm going to do is just pick it back up and get those ready, put the bearings on, lube up the cylinder walls, and then plop them down with the piston ring compressor. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, I don't know when that cut out, but so all 8 are in. The last one, this guy kept fucking, if you can see it, this guy kept like falling the bearing out, so I had to keep re-cleaning it off and putting more gas in that gasket. Lulz. Put new what can I think about it? Lubricant, engine assembly lube. Everything's good. Everything's freely spinning. If I can find that ratchet, RIP to the fucking Mac. It's all dirty and I just bought it. It's a little hard. Okay, tighten. Yeah, there it goes. Oh yeah. You guys can't even see it. I have no idea what my hair looks like, but hopefully it's kind of decent. That is going to do it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I put in the main, and I put in the rods. Next video is going to be obviously the heads, because I get them Monday. I get the things on Monday, so expect a video on Tuesday of this week. So today is Saturday. I'll go get a tattoo tomorrow, so you guys will see that. You might not see that, but that is pretty much done. Like I said, the next video is gonna be, you know, oil pan. Yeah, the next video on Tuesday is gonna be the heads. Full assembly. I'll just say that, full assembly. So I hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys in the next video.